Hello, future designers. Welcome to another tutorial to ABCD. That's anybody can develop. Okay, so we'll be learning to do something like this. Okay, so to do that, just trying to have a circle rotate that's duplicated around a circle. Okay, so that said, I'm going to pick the ellipse tool. Okay, and then hold on the shift key. I'm going to change my stroke to 0. And then set my fill to let's give it this color value. Okay, yeah, let's give it this color value. Sorry, delete this. Okay, so I'm going to hold Control C, Control F on the keyboard. That's to copy and paste in front, and then I'm going to reduce this with the help of the Alt and then the Shift key. Okay, while dragging it inside. Okay, now I'll just drag this upwards. So while holding on Shift to this point, and then I'll click this, and then I'm going to click on the rotate tool. Okay, rotate tool. Then I'm going to look for the center. Okay, so hold on Alt. So I need a center. Okay, so the center isn't showing. It's showing, but I can see. So I'm going to change this fill color to something. Let me use it. Let me use black. I'm going to change this to black. So now with this still selected, I'm going for the rotate tool. Then I'll hold Alt. Okay, so and then click on the center. Okay, so you can see it's in the center, and then click. So while holding on Alt key, I'm going to click. Then you see we have 15. So the preview. Okay, so preview you can see it's moved to a 15-degree angle, which is okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click on copy. And then I'm going to do Control D, Control D, okay, Control D, Control D. So you can see it's revolving or rotating the circle around the bigger circle. Okay. So yeah, so you can just use control, just let's unite them. Okay, then Control C, Control F. So copy and paste in front, and then just trying to create something interesting. Let me see. Let me just okay. So I'm not teaching color theory. We are just trying something. And another Control C, Control F. With inside. I'm going to give it a color. So which color? Let's use this color. Okay, so not this. Okay, since it's a stroke, so I'm just going for this. Okay, so there's something interesting you can do. Okay, so probably maybe you want to give it a stalk, okay, or a stem. So I'm just going to draw this. Then pick the direct selection tool rounding this. Give it a color, let's say black, or let's give it this color. I'll highlight all these, then right click, arrange, and then bring to front. This should be, oops, this should be something interesting that you can try on your own. Okay, so thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial.